Get an auto insurance protection to protect yourself from financial hardship. It is just like other insurance which is used to protect your financial losses which have occurred to your vehicle. It is insurance that can pay for no accidental damage happen to your purchased vehicle. Buying insurance is more about buying a promise of someone who assures you to regain your whole again if something wrong happened to your purchase. The automobile is one of the largest investments you make in your life. Just imagine a world without auto insurance. The at-fault driver would have to pay some amount to the accident victim for pain or damage out of their pocket. And the people who are injured at no fault are entitled to have their car repaired, medical bills from resulting injuries and other injury related expenses paid by the insurance of the person who was at fault. But if the person at fault does not have insurance coverage, then she have to pay for those expenses out of their wages. It offers different levels of cover for a driver. In uninsured motor vehicle coverage, uninsured motorist insurance can help pay your medical expenses and other related damages if you get in an accidental caused by a person who doesn't have liability insurance. Collision coverage if you have an expensive car or one that is relatively new. This coverage will pay for the repairs to your car if an accident happens. Liability coverage, it relates to your legal and financial responsibilities. It's basic insurance coverage that includes both bodily injury and property damage to other people if you are at fault for an accident. Medical coverage. It refers to the medical treatments, your hospital bills, along with those of your passenger will be paid in this coverage, no matter who is at fault for an accident. Comprehensive coverage, if something happens to your car other than accident like weather damage, you hit a deer, your car is stolen, and a collision and liability coverage won't include this situation. Although comprehensive insurance can be costly, if you have a line holder, this coverage is required. Importance of choosing a professional agent. A good auto insurance agent has the ability to help you find the best coverage that will suit your personal requirements and vehicle types. By hiring an agent from Lane's Insurance, you can save your time and find the most affordable car insurance coverage in a short time. Benefits of auto insurance. Auto insurance replaces your car if it's stolen. Auto insurance repairs damage from animal collisions. It repairs weather damage. It covers flood damage. It covers fire damage. It grants peace of mind. Lane's Insurance is the most reputed insurance company in Calgary. Our service are auto insurance in Calgary, home insurance in Calgary, life insurance in Calgary, business insurance in Calgary. Call us now at 403-264-8179 to receive your quote. How modern insurance policy systems are reinforcing the insurance industry. Each time insurers through of the shackles of their legacy system, which add to oppression of market pressures by hampering the effectiveness of their operations. But to do so, they need to recognize the improved functionality and additional value of a successful past transformation could bring to their business fast. Truth is, not all are willing to realize the value from accessible policy administration system with its different modules. There are no doubt that the modern past is transforming the insurance industry and making it possible for insurers to regain lost ground through impacting its people, process, and technology while offering unmatched levels of availability, reliability, and security, among other things. Insurance staying loyal to their legacy system must face some hard truth. Gap between the haves and have notes. Insurers depend heavily on their legacy system to support their core applications. They support day-to-day tasks like issuing and servicing of policies, processing of claims, as well as underwriting and billing processes. This makes insurers reluctant to tamper with their legacy system, but this highly regulated and document-intensive industry is being seriously hampered by the limitations laid down by their legacy system. Insurers who remain committed to their inefficient but functioning legacy system are manually processing piles of papers and reeking data between systems, creating tremendous bottlenecks and time lags in their performance. They also generate inequities which are bound to cause further bottlenecks at a later date. On the other hand, by adopting modern pass insurers gain tremendous agility in processes and can easily modify old products and roll out new ones with reduced time to market as more insurance turn to them. Half the industry is transforming its processes, its way of functioning, and leaving the other half woefully behind on customer service efficiency and competitiveness. Rules digital transformation out. Legacy systems operate on language and system architectures which were developed in 70s and 80s. Their age makes them completely unsuited to support digital transformation. In these times when every industry is porting its data to the cloud and employing big data applications to drive strategic and actionable business insights, insurers who understand these are adopting a modern path to quickly initiate the changes needed to embrace the digital ages. Incompetence. There's no doubt that insurance without a modern pass laws out on service in enablement, technological relevance, and product speed to market when compared to their insurance who adopted on. Some of them may have already adopted other systems which helped them to extend the legacy system, requiring a highly knowledgeable team to undertake the required customization and core system modernization. Modernization. If the insurer rejects the modernization wishing to mitigate the risk of failed implementation and data migration, it may result in inevitably in incompetence and regrettable loss of market share. Not really risk mitigation. Being risk averse and avoiding disruption comes naturally to the insurance industry but cannot be so comprehensive that the insurer avoids the adoption of a new technology fearing the risk as the world around them is porting its operations to the cloud. They must accept a modicum of disruption and anticipation of achieving their vision for a technology they need and resulting benefits from the digital transformation. Implementation concerns. The importance of replacing outdated technologies and antiquated development methodologies needs to be recognized by business. They must also recognize and modify any other structural constraints in the process. Fear of implementation failure cannot come in the way of an assured opportunity to gain competitive advantage by transforming one's legacy system. While all these concerns are holding some insurers back, others stay market focused and are driven by business needs to undertake core system modernization. Their business flourish while others flounder as such. Upgrades improve their responsiveness. They close the gaps in their product and distribution strategy and provide superior customer service to retain existing customers and reach new markets. Their improved service are reinforcing the